Hey traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Well, we thought we'd just do a quick video on the Australian dollar to the US dollar, and there's been plenty of movement on the Aussie lately after this really nice rally up. We saw 71 tested before we saw some real selling set in, and it was really after Thursday that we saw some real strong movements down, and it all teed up, kind of accumulated on Friday after the US jobs data came in much stronger than expected, which gave the USD a real strong boost. So the dollar is down, the dollar index is down today by 0.16%, but that's off the back of 3 strong sessions, and we can see that reflected pretty accurately on the Aussie as it does trade against the USD. So the focus today is on the 230 RBA rates announcement and cash rate statement. So the RBA is tipped to increase rates to 3.35% at 0.25%. There is a bit of talk around a 50-point move, so it will be quite interesting to see if and what does happen, and that idea is that it's one big move that will then set up possibly a bit of a break maybe, but we'll have to see what comes out in the statement and see what the RBA really do think about inflation at the moment. If the rate rises that we have seen already are starting to have an impact, the cost of living, cost of services and the cost of food, if they are decreasing. So I have heard the cost of food has been decreasing, and we'll need to see what the RBA says about that. And obviously anything very hawkish will boost the Aussie. If we do see a 50-point increase, expect the Aussie to jump. It may be a bit of a flat event if we do see a 25-point increase, but the RBA does support the possibility of more rate hikes. If the RBA do let off and lean more towards the dovish side, could see a bit of a fall even with the expected 0.25 rate rise. So technically we do have a break of trend here, and that's this point here. The trend has lined that up a little bit better. This trend has been in play for a fair period of time, and we've just seen a bit of a break of it yesterday. So there is a level that we are watching though, and that's the level we are keeping a little bit of focus on, is this level just here, and that is 68, 74, 75, and there's been plenty of support there going back to the last rally up that we saw in January, and it started really on the 9th of January, and we can see that support there running across even to yesterday when we had a bit of a failed break lower in yesterday's session by sellers, even though we did see an increase on the USD index. So we're looking to see if this support point can hold. That's all in line with the RBA statement and the cash rate backing up further buying. If we do see any surprises that to the dovish side, we'd expect some selling, and if we do see maintain a policy or a continued hawkish message, we would be hoping and looking to see the Aussie dollar accumulate a bit more. And so far today it's been having a solid session. We have seen a very nice trend so far today, and we'll continue to just keep an eye on things as we get closer to the announcement. So eyes on that support point, and then obviously on the statement. And if we do see a 25-point increase, or if we do see a 50-point increase, but I think the odds are that it will be as expected, but we'll just have to wait and see. So thanks for your time. I'll try this bit of a short one, and we wish you all the best with your trading today. And until our next update, good trading and bye for now.